Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and if you're watching this video, you have a new construction project or you have a big remodel project that you're working on, and we're going to be coming and doing work for you. I just want to share a few helpful tips that help things go smoother for us and to make your project go smoother and not cost you any additional money. Everybody wants to have their project done as quick as possible. Many times we get scheduled way too early in the process. If you don't listen to anything else in this video, listen to this. When we come into your home to do an installation, where we fit into the schedule is we can be the last people in the house before the cleaning crew. First thing to understand is the Closet Doctor, we're not like a lot of subcontractors out there. We're reliable. We're very good at calendaring and scheduling and making sure that we have everything that we need to complete your project when we schedule to do that work. You don't need to call us on schedule us for Monday hoping that we'll be there by Friday. We're going to come and do what we said we're going to do when we said that we're going to do it. A couple of things that we ask for. So first off, on a closet like this particular one has a backing in it, but 99% of the closet systems that we do don't have a backing in it. And so the first thing is your closets need to be painted. If not, your painter is going to be really ticked when we install this and he's got to cut around all of the panels and shelves. Next thing, a lot of times in the project, power and lights come in towards the end. We like to work in the light so that we can see what we're doing. We like to have power where we're working. So it's imperative that we show, when we arrive, that we've got lighting in the closet so that we can see what we're doing. The next big thing is that your flooring needs to be in. Too many times, some of our stuff is wall mount, some of it is floor mount. Most of it is to be designed to sit on top of the flooring, unless you've had a different conversation with your designer on that. Not only does the flooring, like the carpet, need to be in the closet, but the flooring should be completed in the master bathroom. And we can't be sharing that space with the tile guy while he's doing work, or have a partially installed tile floor that we can only walk on 3 tiles. Clear and easy access to the home is really important to us. A lot of times people say, the driveway's not in, or we'll arrive and they're actually working on the driveway, pouring concrete. And like I mentioned, we're gonna be carrying in dozens of bundles of parts and materials that are odd shaped sizes, and that are awkward, and so it's a safety hazard for us to not have a nice smooth entrance to walk into the home. You know, and we can't park down the street and carry that stuff all in. Like I said, literally thousands of pounds. And so we like a nice clear access, preferably to back up into the driveway and either go through the front door or the garage entrance, whichever one is closest to the home, and so that we can come in and do our work in a timely and efficient manner. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope that it helped you understand a little bit more about our installation process. Most importantly, I would also like to thank you for allowing us to do work in your home and trusting us on your project. If you have any questions, please reach out to your designer or the showroom, and we'll be glad to answer those. We look forward to doing work for you. Thank you.